Alright guys, back again. I haven't been here since like 3 weeks. Or actually been a month, not sure. Been busy because of wrestling season and stuff like that. So I haven't had enough time to, post and stuff. Alright, for today's workout, we're gonna do some wrestling. I'm gonna start off with some jogging, then I'm gonna work on some bottom position, and then I'm gonna work on some stance and motion. And yeah, pretty much it. Let's get to work. Mostly that round was just like moving around, really not much. This round, I'm gonna focus on a lot of shooting.
He's not even tired, but I am. I'm hurt, and I'm tired, and I want to go home, and I want to sleep, and I don't want to be here, and I think, can I let this one go? Can I let it be someone else's problem? Just for a minute, so I can rest.
I told you long ago that you belong to me, Guts. I won you that day by my sword. Your life, your death, they are both mine. If you wish to be free of me, the rules have not changed. It is as it was before. Draw your sword and take your freedom from me.
People get normal results. Weird people get weird results. You literally can't do what everyone else does and not expect to get what everyone else has. By doing what everyone else does, you guarantee average results.
Every family deserves to have a winner. I think it should be you.
My philosophy is, why be normal when you can be the best? I know how to be normal. So you want to be normal. So you just want to be like everybody else that roams the world.
I can't complain much. I was a good round, got a good sweat. Last round, this is third round, stance motion. And I'm gonna really try my best to stay low because I've been really getting out my stance because I'm really getting exhausted. So yeah, last round, I just say, just go all out. Try to work on my technique, yeah, let's get to it.
Not knowing the power that's in them. Being fine with being mediocre.
The winner does more than expected every single time, no matter how they feel, no matter the circumstances.
Why would I do what every other person is doing if I want a different outcome than everyone else has?
A winner shows up 10x times more than the average person.
You cannot change your life unless you change something.
Don't go through life just saying, you know what, I'm okay being average. Average sucks. It does.
If you want to live an extraordinary life, you must be willing to do extraordinary things.